Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, hello.
It's Vito and Alex from Flaming Viking Tours and the Most Colorful Guides in Stockholm. This year, the last week of July, the 27th to August 2nd, is Pride. But because of Corona, it's going to be digital Pride. If you're looking for a fun activity, come for one of our gay-themed, LGBT-themed walking tours.
Check out the Pride calendar. I'm doing a tour that is called To Pee or Not to Pee, the unflushed truth.
And I'll be at the Viking Museum on Thursday and Friday if you want to find out about the gay Vikings. That's also on the Pride calendar. And we're having our old regular great tours, the classic tour of Stockholm, straight but not narrow. We've also got pink history, pink personalities, and cruising escapades. Check out the calendar. Happy Pride.